Jinan Huaxia Machinery Equipment Company Limited. We supply CNC cutting machines, such as fiber laser cutting machines, plasma cutting machines, laser welding machines, laser cleaning machine, flame cutting machine, pipe cutting machine, plasma cutting and drilling machines, and other OEM multifunction plasma cutting machines. We always adhere to the development route of technological leader position, integrity first and service first. Thus, our machines are sold well at home and abroad. Jinan Huaxia not only has excellent technical personnel, but also introduce international first-class, world-class, advanced technology at any time for development and application on products to ensure the advancement of our products and technology. Customer demand is our duty. We can offer personalized service from design manufacture to training so that our machines are really suitable for users' requirement. We keep pace with the times and integrate with the world via bringing into new techniques, new concepts to exploit new products, and improve intrinsic machines. Also, we combine our superior technique, innovation ability, sound marketing network, powerful manufacturing capacity, with our rich experience to cooperate with our customer sincerely for a long time. Quality is our culture. Our efforts bring us stable customers from home and abroad. You can find Huaxia products in over 100 countries, from Europe, Africa, Mid-East, America, Oceania, and Southeast Asia, etc. Looking for agents all over the world. Welcome any inquiry.